In this video, I wanted to test 3 new products that I haven't used much. First, double boiled linseed oil from Plaza. Now to the meat of why I'm doing this video. First was to test these 3 products, and the first one I tested out was this Plaza double boiled linseed oil. This is all natural boiled linseed oil that I found on Amazon. I wanted to stop needing to use gloves and use the chemically treated boiled linseed oil. This is 100% natural, chemical-free boiled linseed oil. And I wanted to test it out. The consistency on this one was interesting, and it had a different smell than I was used to for boiled linseed oil. And again, you can see the consistency of this. Plaza double boiled linseed oil. It is almost like honey. It looks like honey, and it feels kind of in that consistency of honey. It's not sticky, of course, like honey is, but it was really nice to use. It didn't pour over quickly like the chemically treated boiled linseed oil does. It stays in place a lot better and rubbed in just as well. Again, the smell was kind of unique. It kind of reminded me of pine needles and dandelions at the same time. It was kind of a unique smell. Felt okay on the hands. Didn't feel as drying as the chemically treated boiled linseed oil. I really quite liked it, and it rubbed into the handle really well. Actually, a couple hours later, I applied a second coat of each of these. First the boiled linseed oil, and the second coat going into the bottom piece that I just cut off. But again, this double boiled linseed oil, I really like it. The double boiled linseed oil, it's like honey. It's really easy to apply. It rubs in really well. The wood absorbed it very readily, and as a handle application, I'm quite impressed with it. I like it quite a bit more than the chemically dried one. I don't have to use gloves. The double boiled linseed oil it's on sale currently on Amazon. I don't know if that will continue. For the 1 liter bottle, it is $25. I think that's an awesome deal. 1 liter, if you're doing lots of axes, it should still last for a long time, and it doesn't affect your hands. You don't have to wear gloves. I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link for the Plaza boiled linseed oil